Hello everyone, it's a new day and CoinMonk is here with another set of latest updates. So let's start today's bulletin with some major headlines of the day. Personal information is scarce, but does Coinbase value it? Binance unveils plans for world domination by buying up companies in every sector. Ethereum gas fees dropped to lowest level since August 2021. Russian parliament working groups, there should be mechanism to control crypto transactions. So without any further ado, let's begin with a refresh feed. Starting with Coinbase's update, apparently Coinbase users are dissatisfied with the company's recent activities. Coinbase, an online cryptocurrency trading company, recently issued an email to its members requesting them to update their personal information. After getting this email, a few customers became furious and labeled the cryptocurrency company's queries as privacy infringing. Let's have a look at what exactly happened. A coin always has two sides to it. The user's outrage is reasonable. However, the corporation has said that they have implemented the policy to guarantee the safety and security of their customers. Scams and frauds involving cryptocurrencies are becoming commonplace. As a result, it's most likely a preventive strategy against similar occurrences. Customers have been asked to disclose their personal banking information for the past 3 months, as well as the source of their deposited cash and total wealth, as well as confirmation of the current work. These demands are deemed invalid by users. Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong has responded to one of these tweets. However, he has just expressed his sadness for the situation and has made no more remarks. Whatever is the reason, this conduct has sparked outrage amongst users. On Twitter, people said things like, "No more giving them business," and "took my business elsewhere." Many commenters criticized Coinbase for taking this decision, and some even suggested that Binance, another cryptocurrency trading site, might be a better alternative for Americans. In this world where crypto and related tech is literally taking over everything, I wonder how will Coinbase deal with the situation. Speaking of taking over the world, looks like Binance has some plans. According to a report from the Financial Times, Binance is aiming to broaden its business interests by purchasing firms that aren't related to cryptocurrencies. Let's have a look at what they're up to. Binance, which already has the title of being the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, is looking to pull in firms from traditional marketplaces in order to broaden crypto acceptance and diversify its own revenue. Zhao went on to remark in the interview that encouraging traditional enterprises to embrace crypto will put pressure on the late adopters and boost overall market competitiveness. This news follows Binance's historic $200 million investment in Forbes early February, cementing Binance's position as one of the media company's two largest shareholders. These efforts illustrate cryptocurrency industry's growing real-world influence, which has seen Binance rise to an estimate worth of $300 billion and Changpeng Zhao become the world's 11th wealthiest man. While crypto exchanges have already slapped their brands on stadium and stolen the show at the Super Bowl, Binance's acquisition of such a large interest in a traditional media organization like Forbes establishes the company as a major participant in acquisitions and investments. Binance has already experimented with purchasing assets and firms that are not directly related to its primary business. Let's see how it goes. So jumping on to our next segment, gas prices for Ethereum blockchain transactions have decreased to their lowest level since August. They're, however, not inexpensive. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. There appears to be a minimal network congestion at the time of writing. According to Etherscan statistics, gas fees ranged from 13 GUE to 32 GUE for a low-speed confirmation to 32 GUE for a high-speed confirmation. The average price for Ether has been drastically declining since the start of this year, going all the way from 218 GUE on January 10th to 40.82 GUE as of Wednesday, according to YChat statistics. Despite the fact that Ethereum's non-fungible token and decentralized finance sectors are expected to expand rapidly in 2021, the network has been chastised on several occasions for its exorbitant gas prices. Lower congestion and cost appears to be linked to decreased speculations or interest in NFTs and DeFi at the beginning of this year versus late 2021. So ending up with our final segment, a state Duma working group has expressed support for regulating rather than prohibiting digital assets, amid continuing discussions between the Central Bank of Russia and the country's finance ministry on the future crypto. The working group recommended clear regulations of the digital asset businesses as the most effective way to reduce the dangers of cryptocurrency adoption in the country. The session's main takeaway is the group's apparent support for the finance ministry's regulatory strategy, albeit with some technical objections. Experts asked the ministry to improve the bill's language on the non-institutional mining, conventional institution roles, know your customer processes, and illegal crypto usage. If it follows the advice of its own working group, the lower house will support the finance ministry's position in the heated fight with the CPR, which favors a limited approach to cryptocurrency. The central bank's position in the crypto conflict appears increasingly fragile, with early hints of parliamentary support and a new regulatory roadmap presented by the Deputy Prime Minister Dmitry Chernyshenko. The proposed blanket prohibition by the regulator has a few institutional supporters in both the executive and the legislative branches of the government. So we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meanwhile, you can leave us comments with any recommendations or opinions that you might have. You can also join our Telegram channel for free crypto alerts. For instructions, reviews and tutorials, you may visit our blog, which is linked right below. Also subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.